Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this cleaning solution from Bissell. Unfortunately, I thought I clicked on the Pro edition. So this is one of the bottle that came with it from the little green, the Pro Heat. It works pretty well. So I probably accidentally clicked on the wrong one because all of them look kind of same. So, but anyway, I got this one for 17 something. So with the Walmart, if you buy anything that's over 35, you get free shipping. And I can't believe it, you receive it the next day. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what I got. So of course I get the bigger bottle. Read that part that says if you buy in bulk, you save more money. So so this one says Pro. Oh, maybe it was a different. This one is Oxy Spots and Clean. So this one it says Advanced with the freshness enhancer and technology. So yeah, both of them have some kind of scent. I'm not sure which scent it is. So this one is a Max Clean Plus Protect, Stain Protect. So after you clean it, it's gonna have a stain protection on it. So I don't know, maybe this one's even better. So yeah, I got 2 bottles of this because if you purchase anything over 35, get free shipping. And this one's 50 fluid ounce, 1.5 quart or 1.47 liter. Unbeatable. This is all leading formula. All right. Also, this one is a formula made for upright carpet cleaners. So yeah, I think I got the wrong one since I have the little green. But anyway, I have the upright from Hoover. I'm gonna use this on that and then test it out. So yeah, you want to make sure you mix it correctly because if you don't mix it properly, your carpet might become a white spot or kind of bleach the color on your carpet. So you got to be careful. Make sure you test out on the small spot first before you completely clean your carpet, or it's going to change the whole color. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.